Has your iPhone been hacked? If so, iPhone has a new setting called lockdown mode that I think can help. So go ahead and grab your phone and I'll show you exactly how it works. Click on Settings. From here, I want you to scroll down until you see Privacy and Security. And then I want you to scroll all the way to the bottom and you're going to see under Security Lockdown Mode. Go ahead and click there. And you can see here, this is an extreme optional protection that should only be used if you believe you've been personally targeted by a sophisticated cyber attack. Also, if I go down here, it says, if I turn on lockdown mode, this is what will happen. This is what will happen with my phone, messages, FaceTime, web browsing, photos, device connections, all of these different things. So once again, if you turn on lockdown mode, it's going to definitely change the function of your phone. And I would only do this if you absolutely think that your iPhone has been hacked.